What's good, YouTube? This is Double Up with Astro, and today I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I wanted to share something today to give you a review on Lead Lightning. And Lead Lightning is an incredible way to build up your email list at a low rate. And I've been using this program for a while now. And I've been seeing results since the time that I have joined this. And when I first started in internet marketing, I have, been struggling to try to get the money up just like any regular person. Struggling to get money to grow a business and actually to build my email list. And it's very difficult when you don't have any type of funds. You don't have too much knowledge to know and take the steps that's needed to be successful. And I have tried this program before in the past and really didn't know too much about it or how to use it until I got under, a couple people that, showed me some ropes along the way on how to build on this network. So Lead Lightning is a one-time $7 offer. So it's very cost efficient to get in. It's a one-time $7 fee, and you can have the ability to earn $6 commissions for every referral that joins up under you. So just think how them low commissions, now I know it may not seem like a lot of money, but they do add up because this platform allows you to create your own autoresponder, and it has where you can have your own capture pages once you upgrade. Okay, now they do have a gold level above this level right here where you could be able to earn, I believe, 30% commissions. I have to double check that again, but you get to be able to earn $20 commissions rather if you upgrade to the gold level. But we're talking about Lead Lightning right now where you can earn your $6 commissions. Okay, so I'm gonna show you here in the back office what I mean. Okay, hold on for 1 minute. So this is the link for, that you can use for Lead Lightning. Now, it is under Power Lead system. This is the upgraded version when you upgrade from Lead Lightning. When you go into the Power Lead system, that's the next upgrade. Okay, so with this, I can connect any type of business that I want. I can have my own primary business that I can use. So with that being said, when I click on Lead Lightning, you get to have your own domain along with that. So that means once you be able to send out emails with this, you will be sent, like they said, an odd number of emails. Basically, it'll send you emails on Lead Lightning, and you will also be able to send out other emails for your primary business. So that's like a 1-2 punch. You got your primary business that you normally promote, and you have Lead Lightning, which is the system itself. And a lot of people lead list building systems. So if you think about that, this is something that someone very much need to grow their business. Someone very much need to brand themselves. And Lead Lightning allows you to brand yourself as well, because everyone on the network marketing space tends to reuse the same tools over and over again. So when you have your own capture page or your own, autoresponders, that makes you different from the rest. So this is something that someone needs. So just think of how many $6 commissions you could be collecting for people that need those type of systems. This is a tool that you can very much use to grow your network. Okay, so Lead Lightning is something that's very powerful, and you can upgrade to the Power Lead system if you choose to. But if you would like to stay at the Lead Lightning level, all you have to do is just pay the $7 fee one time, and you could be able to get this system where you could be able to share this platform to other people. Okay, so that's what I wanted to go over with you guys. I just wanted to let you know you could be able to make $6 commissions over and over again once you refer another member to this platform. Okay, so the link in the description will be below if you would like to sign up with me with Lead Lightning. I also can show you strategies, tips, and tricks of daily marketing routines that I do use on a regular basis. If you have any comments, leave your comments in the comment section. Give this video a like and subscribe to this channel for more upcoming videos. tips, tricks, and strategies that I use on a daily basis. All right. So that's all I have for you today. This is Double O with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.